out. I'm off to post some of your guys' stickers. They are selling very, very fast. I did mention before that I wasn't going to sell them on eBay, but I have. It's just easier for you guys. So yeah, the link will be in the description for that. And I couldn't edit the other video to let you know that it's through eBay because they've stopped annotations on videos. Don't know why, but yeah. So I thought I'd bring that in. I just thought I'd also let you guys know about a car meet. Speed up. I went to help a fan out with his induction kit yesterday. And talking to him, you know, it's nice to get to know some of the people who watch my videos and such. So it'd be nice for some of you guys to come and meet. You know, whether we meet somewhere local. So if you're local to Nottinghamshire or Derbyshire, leave a comment in the description and let me know. If you want to follow me on Instagram, which is on the screen now, I'll leave that on the screen actually through the video from now. So follow me on there. If you are up for it, drop me a message and I can either try and get us into a group chat and try and get us somewhere where we can all meet at the same time, so we're all off one evening. You know, it'd be nice just to have a conversation with everybody, just to see where cars are at, you know, a bit of car talk, any problems that people's had, see if we can try and sort some problems. The guy who I went to see yesterday, helped him with his engine mount. His engine mount was a bit, so yeah, you know, it's nice to give a little to some of you guys if I can. So that'll be good. So if any of you guys are up for that, let me know, and we can sort that out and we can arrange that so we can all meet up somewhere local again. If you guys that are a bit further away are willing to travel, by all means come down. We'll just make sure that it does happen. Obviously we want to try and get on a decent day so we can all get cars looking nice, but it would be nice to have a VXR meet, you know, load of course VXRs in one spot, which you don't see very often. But also, if you've got a different car and you like to watch my videos, bring that too, you know. It'd be nice to just see everybody. So yeah, a few other things that's going to come up in this channel. I'm going to have a couple of videos where I'm going to ask for your guys' input on some stuff, because there's certain things I'm not actually sure about on what I should do. So that's going to come up. It's going to be a couple of videos on removing your diffusers and such like that, and there's going to be a few how-tos on that, because I know a lot of you guys actually like to see that sort of stuff. Because looking through YouTube, when I'm trying to do stuff, or before I start doing videos, I couldn't find anything. It's majorly one of the reasons why that I started to do YouTube and started to put videos up for you guys. So yeah, one of the reasons why I actually started doing YouTube was to help other people that weren't sure, because I couldn't find it myself, for one. So yeah, I've also got a mate who's got a Astra 1.6S XI. Is it Ermenshire? Is it Ermenshire kit? Yeah, I think it's German kit. You don't see many of them about. It's like a replica. I'm going to be doing some stuff on that. I'm going to be helping him getting that look quite nice. It looks nice already. It's a bit different. It's got a twin exit exhaust. He wants to make it louder. He wants some stuff wrapping on it. So yeah, if you guys want to see that sort of stuff, there's going to be some extra videos on that to see your perspective on somebody else's car, which is nice. It's nice. You don't always want to see my car. I like to see other people's cars as well. So I'm going to put a video on that soon. Well, quite a few actually. It's going to be like a little series on how-tos, so changing your air filters for Astras, that sort of stuff, showing you me wrapping side skirts, all that sort of stuff, you know, just little things that matter. Cleaning his engine bays up. There's going to be videos on engine bays and all that sort of stuff, cleaning proper window cleaning, because I do have a method for mine. So yeah, if any of you guys are interested in that, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Share these videos with your mates. Again, if you want to suggest somewhere where we can meet, where we're all a bit local, like a decent sized car park, that'd be good, be handy. So yeah, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one.